Good evening students. Today we will discuss about the topic of 7th standard, that is probability. This is 20th chapter of 7th standard. Okay student, in this chapter we learn about probability. What is probability? Probability means chances. We learn about in this chapter chances and like I say somehow. Okay, first we take let if this is a probability of any event, a be any event, and this is probability of an event, and probability of an event lie between 0 to 1. That means that probability of an event equal to 0, probability of an event equal to 1, and probability of an event greater than 0 and less than 1. Okay student, in first exercise we learn about chances. Okay, chances of an event, this is first and second, and this is in middle. First we take no chance, and next at last we take sure chance, and in middle even chance, and in this poor chance, and a good chance. Students, no chance. No chance means probability of an event is 0. Probability of an event is 0. That means this is a no chance. For example, if today is Wednesday, then tomorrow is Thursday. This is a sure chance. But if we say today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Saturday, this is not possible. This is not possible, then this is a no chance. Okay, then probability of an event, which event is no chance, then probability of that equal to 0. Student, if any sure chance of any event, that means sure chance, sure event has sure chances. For example, if today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, then this is sure, and we know that if today is Wednesday, then tomorrow Thursday. Sure means then probability of that event is okay. Sure event 1 probability, no matlab impossible event is 0 probability. Even chance means probability of happening that event is equally likely. Equally likely means we take 1/2 probability. For example, if we toss a coin, and we know that tail or two outcomes, tail or a head, and probability of head and tails both are same, then this is a even chance. And what is a poor chance? Poor chance of an event. If students, what is a poor chance? If an event is more likely to happen than not to happen. If more likely to happen than not to happen, that is a good chance and a poor chance. If an event is less likely to happen than not to happen, that is a poor chance. If less, then poor. If more, then this is a good chance. Okay, and we take a poor chance between 0 to 1 and good chance between 1/2 means half and okay students. Next is to let me give the probability of this 1/4, and let me give the good chance probability 3/4. Okay, this is good, this is poor, and if any event impossible, then probability of that event 0. If any event we sure about that event, then probability of that 1, and even chance equally likely, that means 1/2. Poor, then probability 1/4, and good chance 3/4. Student, exercise 20.1 based on only these charts. Okay, if you have any sure, then you give probability 1. If impossible, then you give probability in 0. Now we about next exercise. Now we learn about some definition. First is experiment, second is outcomes, and third is random experiment. Student, what is the experiment? We learn this definition by an example. Student, if we toss a coin, this is our experiment. If we toss a coin, if we throw a die, these are experiment. Next is outcomes. Student, if we toss a coin and we find head or tail, this is the outcomes. Head and tails are outcomes. And what is random experiment? If we toss a coin, this is experiment, and we know that what is outcomes, head or tail, but we don't know about exactly outcomes. Okay, if we don't know about exactly, that is head come or a tail come, we only know about outcomes but not exactly answer. Okay, then this is a random experiment. Okay students, next is what is probability? Probability. Let A is any event. And what is an event? Student, if we toss a coin, and we find a head, then this is an event. Getting a head is an event. Okay. Probability of an event, let A be any event, then probability of an event equal to number of favorable cases divided by total cases. First is number of favorable case divided by total number of possible case. Total number of possible case. Okay, probability of any event, number of favorable cases divided by total number of possible case. Let we learn this by an example. What is experiment? If we toss a coin, then there is two outcomes, head and okay. Then total number of possible case, these are 2, and let E total possible case 1 2, then equal to 2. Let A be any event, event for getting a tail, then probability of event A. And what is event A? Event is for getting a tail. Then to favorable cases, which case is favorable to tail? Then there is only one case, favor to tail. Then total number of favorable cases is only 1, and total number of case equals to 2. Then probability of an event A, where A be the event is getting a tail, then probability of getting a tail equal to 1 by n. Okay student, now we take some questions from the exercise. Next, these are some questions of exercise 20.2. Okay, then question number first. In this question, making a list of all possible outcomes. Okay, question number first part, tossing a single 5 rupees coin. Then we make a list. First is, if we toss a 5 rupees coin, then we know that there is only two parts of each coin, head and tail. Then list of 5 rupees coin total outcomes, then these are tail and head. Okay, head or tail, yeah, head and tail. Second is speaking a letter from the vowel of English alphabet. Students, if the total number of English alphabet 26, if we take only vowel, then vowel 5 vowels, then A, E, I, O, U. Okay student, these are the list of all possible cases. Next is drawing a ball from the back containing one green, one blue, one red and one white. Then we make a set. One is green ball. Second is one also blue ball, and one red ball, and next one white. These are the list. Next is picking an odd number from first 10 odd number. From first odd number, picking out first 10 numbers, we take only odd numbers. First 10 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is also odd number. Okay. First 10 odd number. First 10 odd number. Then we take only one odd number. From then we make the list. First 10 odd number. That is first odd number 1. After that odd 3. Next is 5. Next is 7. 9. Next is 11. 13. Next 15. Next is 17. Next 19. These are the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are first odd number. If we take one number from this, then this is the statement. This is the list of first 10 odd number. Next question. Then next question number 2. What is the probability of getting a vowel from this number? Student, getting a vowel from this. These are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases. Okay. Then probability of getting a vowel. Then this equal to 1 by 5. These all are vowel and we get a vowel 1 by 5. Okay. Next is we also write probability of getting a vowel. Okay. Next is what is the probability of picking a month of the year having 31 days? We find the probability of that event month which have 31 days. Then first we list the month which have 31 days. Then first is January. Okay, January. Next February, not 31. Next March, May, July, August, say October, December. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 month I have 31 days. But there are total month equal to 12. Then probability of getting a month which let A be event for getting a month which have 31 days. Then this equal to total number of favorable cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and total cases equal to 12. Then probability of that event 7 by 12. Okay. Then next question number 4. Find the probability of selecting the letter from the word A, B, S, U, R. We select a word from this and we know that this is a word and we select a letter and these all are a letter. Then we select a letter from the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. We select a letter, then probability of that 1 by 6. Probability of any event equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Then I will take it next question. This is question number 6. In a cricket match between India and Pakistan, what is the probability of India winning the toss? Student, winning the toss is equally likely. If we toss a coin, then head and tail, only 2 outcomes and probability of anyone is equally likely. Then if India winning the toss, then probability of that is 1 by 2. Okay, you write let AB event for India winning the toss, for this we take A event, then probability of A event India winning the toss, then this equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Next is question number 7. Student, when a die throw 200 times, 200 times a die throw, then these are outcomes. 1 comes 21 times, 2 30 times, 3 42 times. This outcomes and this is frequency. 4 comes 38 times, 5 29 times and 6 40 times. Then find the probability of getting 5. Probability of getting 5. Probability of getting 5. Student, 5 comes 29 times. Then favorable cases 29 and total cases how many times? Throw 200 times 200. Then probability of getting a 5 equal to 29 by 200. Next, getting a 3. Then probability of getting a 3 equal to frequency of 342. Then favorable cases 42, by total cases this is 200. Next is for getting 4. Then 4 comes 38 times, then probability of 4 equal to 38 by 200. And next is fourth part, probability of getting 6, and 6 comes 40 times, then probability of 6 equal to 40 by 2. Okay, this is a small exercise and this is short chapter. So students, with the help of you complete this video, you complete your exercise, your chapter, and there are two exercise 21.1 and 21.2. Okay, I hope you like this video.